Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we dive into the world of entrepreneurship and explore the concepts that drive business success. Today, we're going to talk about lean manufacturing principles, a powerful methodology that can help you improve efficiency, reduce waste, and increase customer value. So, what are lean manufacturing principles? In simple terms, lean is a way of thinking that focuses on creating maximum value for customers while minimizing waste and optimizing processes. It's a mindset that emphasizes continuous improvement, experimentation, and customer centricity. The concept of lean originated in the manufacturing industry, specifically at Toyota, where it was developed as a response to the challenges of post-war Japan. Since then, lean has evolved and been applied in various industries, from healthcare to software development. At its core, lean manufacturing principles is built around several key principles. First, there's the concept of value, which refers to the activities that create value for customers. Then, there's the idea of waste, which includes anything that doesn't add value to the customer. Lean identifies 8 types of waste, including transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects, and skills. By understanding and addressing these types of waste, businesses can streamline their processes and improve efficiency. Another important principle is flow, which refers to the smooth and continuous movement of materials, information, and activities through the production process. Pull is another key concept, which involves producing only what is needed, when it's needed, and in the quantities required. Finally, there's the idea of perfection, which is about continuously improving and refining processes to achieve optimal performance. So, how do these principles play out in real-life business scenarios? Let's take a look at some examples. One notable case study is that of Toyota itself, which has been a pioneer in lean manufacturing. By applying lean principles, Toyota was able to reduce production time by 50%, improve quality by 30%, and decrease costs by 20%. Another example is the company called Wiremold, which implemented lean principles and saw a significant reduction in lead times, from 12 weeks to just 3 days. In the service industry, lean can be applied in areas such as healthcare. For instance, a hospital in the United States applied lean principles to its emergency department and was able to reduce wait times by 50%, decrease patient length of stay by 20%, and improve patient satisfaction ratings by 15%. These examples demonstrate how lean can be applied in various contexts to achieve remarkable results. If you're a business student or an aspiring entrepreneur looking to apply lean manufacturing principles in your own venture, here are some tips. First, start by understanding the core principles and identifying areas for improvement in your organization. Use tools like value stream mapping, root cause analysis, and Kaizen events to drive continuous improvement. It's also essential to develop a lean mindset, which emphasizes experimentation, iteration, and customer centricity. One of the biggest challenges in implementing lean manufacturing principles is changing the mindset and behavior of employees. It requires a cultural shift from a traditional top-down approach to a more collaborative and empowering culture. To overcome this challenge, you need to provide training and education on lean principles, encourage employee participation in improvement initiatives, and recognize and reward employees for their contributions. In addition to these strategies, it's also crucial to measure and track key performance indicators like lead time, throughput, and quality metrics. This will help you identify areas for improvement and evaluate the effectiveness of your lean initiatives. My colleagues at a leading consulting firm have developed a lean maturity assessment framework that can help businesses gauge their current level of lean adoption and identify opportunities for growth. Another important concept to consider is the idea of agile management, which involves iterative and incremental approaches to product development and delivery. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban can be used in conjunction with lean principles to achieve greater flexibility and responsiveness to changing customer needs. In conclusion, lean manufacturing principles are a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and increase customer value. By understanding and applying these principles, you can create a competitive advantage in your industry and drive long-term success. Remember, lean is not just a methodology. It's a mindset that requires continuous learning, experimentation, and improvement. As my friend Jim Womack once said, the key to success in lean manufacturing is to focus on the process, not just the outcome. By focusing on the process and continually improving it, you can achieve remarkable results. So, take the first step today by applying lean principles in your own business or career. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.